I'm Jima Bani, and we've had some questions on how to get downloads from our site to tablets or smartphones, and then to your PC, and of course eventually to your machine. So today I want to show you a process for moving downloads from our website at jimabani.com. We'll show 3 different types of systems. First of all, we'll look at the Android, which is a Google system, and this is a tablet and a smartphone. The next one will be a Kindle Fire, which is an Amazon system. And lastly, we'll look at the iPad, which is an Apple system. Bear in mind that we're just going to show you one way to do it. There are probably other methods, maybe more efficient. First of all, you want to make sure that your setup is complete on your PC so that you can read your device from your PC. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we're going to use the tablet, which is an Android operating system put out by Google. So we'll just go to jimabani.com and we'll go ahead and do our ordering. So first of all, we're going to order a design, which is a zip file. So we'll go into here, we're going to go to Christmas, and we're going to order this design. Okay, we'll add that one to cart. Now we'll go back to keep shopping. And the next thing we're going to do is to do a project, which comes over as a PDF. So we're going to do that one, and we're going to add that one to the cart. Okay, so now we've got 2 things added to the cart. So we can go ahead and check out, and you'll need to put in all of this relevant information. Okay, after you get all the information in and your card information is in, scroll to the bottom and do continue. Now you're going to have what you've ordered, and you'll tell them to send order. Now you've got 2 to download, so download your first one. So that one's downloaded, and download your second one, and now that's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, go to your apps, and you can go to your downloads. And they're both there. There's your PDF and there's your zip file. Now you want to hook your device to the computer with your USB connection. So now we're all hooked up. Okay, so on your PC, go to Start, Computer, and notice there's my tablet right there. So we'll go to the tablet, we'll go to Internal Storage, we'll go to Downloads, and here is the zip file we downloaded, and here's the PDF we downloaded. Notice I've also got another PDF in here, but we don't care about that one. So now what you want to do is actually move this zip file to your sewing folders before you unzip it. And of course you'd want to do your PDF just straight to your sewing file. It does not need to be unzipped. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will just drag that over to the PC sewing folder and put it in there. I'll do the same with the PDF. Okay, now you can unzip it. Okay, now you'll just extract it as you usually would. So if you'll just extract it, it'll go into a folder below that folder that you were in. So now there's your extracted zip files. You then of course will choose whatever format your computer reads and put it in whatever media it reads and take it to your sewing machine. Okay, so the next device we're going to look at is a Kindle Fire, and it is an Amazon operating system. So we'll just go to the web and we'll search just like we did before. And again, we'll just do the same thing. Once it comes up, we'll go to pick up what it is that we want. Okay, we're going through the same process we did before, so we're going to choose each one of our files that we want. This one's the word tree. We'll also do the PDF. We'll put in all our appropriate data, and we'll get to the download. Okay, so now we're just going to do the thing we always do. We're going to send our order. And we're going to download the word tree, and it's completed. And now we're going to download the PDF, and it's completed. So now we've got that done, and it is in the download files in the Kindle, and we're going to connect the Kindle and go to the PC. Okay, again, we'll go to the Start button, Computer, and there's our Kindle Fire right here. There's our internal storage, downloads, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drag our download from there onto our PC, the PDF onto our PC. Once it gets into your sewing folders, you will then extract the zip file, and you're good to go. Okay, so I want you to notice that even though I've moved these files from the device, they still are sitting at the device level, at the Fire internal storage download. And that is the case with the Google tablet also. So they're there until you either delete them or you actually move them to take them out of your device. Okay, so now this is an iPad, which is an Apple operating system. We'll just go in, get to our website, which is here, and we're going to go through the very same method. We're going to go get our design. We're going to put it in the cart. Then we're going to go back and we're going to get a PDF and we're going to put it in the cart. We'll check out and fill in all the appropriate data. Okay, so now we'll just go ahead and hit Send Order, and we'll download. Now you'll notice that the iPad is a little different. It just goes right to your mailbox. So now you can either put it to your default email, or you can send it to another email, which I will go ahead and send it to me. And now we'll go ahead and hit Send. Okay, now hit the order, go back and hit the Order Confirmation tab, and you can get your second one. So we'll go ahead and download the second one. Okay, in the case of a PDF, it will just open so you can print it from your iPad, or you can tell it to open in mail, and you can send it to your mail, which will send it to me again. Okay, so at my PC, I've gone to my mail, and this happens to because the iPad is my grandson-in-law's. This was his default email, and then it just sent it to me. So here's a PDF which I can download to my computer, and then here's the other one, which is the zip file. And I can go ahead and download that to my computer. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my sewing folder. So I'll save it in my sewing folder. And I can go into my sewing folder and right click on it and extract it. And there it is. So essentially the iPad's probably the easiest one, since it just wants you to send your downloads to your email rather than doing a download folder where you have to move them around. So that's 3 different types of devices and 3 ways that you might be able, or that you should be able, to get your downloads to your PC. Here at Jima Bani, we hope you found this tutorial useful, and we hope you have fun with all of your sewing projects.